Solution of the question of the day. A. X and Y. No. When a compound is written, the valences of the anions and cations are cross-multiplied for electrical neutrality. B. Y and X. Yes, this is the correct option because Y is the valency of Al and X is the valency of CO3 minus 2, indicating that their valencies have been cross-multiplied to ensure that the compound is electrically neutral. C is not the correct option because X and 3Y are not the respective valencies of the anion and cation respectively. D is equally not the correct option because 3Y and X are not the valencies of the anion and the cation. Consequently, the correct answer is B.